Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial of the Node.js. So today I am facing this issue. Mongoose error, the URI parameter to open a URI must be a string, got undefined. Make sure the parameter should connect or something. I'm facing this issue. So let me check. So I need to check that what exactly it is. If you are facing such kind of issue, you how to debug this, how to fix it. Let's have a look. So here you can see that where my code is. Copy this one, and here we have chat, we have the API, and here we have index.js file. So here you can see that the data is coming from the process env mongo url. So means this url is not there, might be. So let's trying to add this in the this folder, and what with the mongo url I'm going to copy this and I'm going to add this over here. So I can add any of the mongo url, not going to add the port. Okay, so let's see where they have the models. No, so let's make it like chart application. Okay, so I'm going to add this one mongodb url, so it is added. And where is index.js file? This is the index. I hope it will get the data from here. Let's restart it. npm start and see the data is resolved. That means the issue is that something I have missed with this one. That means the mongodb url is not correct, so you need to check that. And the correct url would be this one, mongodb localhost whatever the port, and that this is the database name. So in by doing this one, I hope you will resolve this issue with the help of this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any issue, any query, just let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.